வெத்து விலக்கி சூழல சுத்தப்படுத்துவோம், சூழல சுத்தப்படுத்துவோம், சூழல சுத்தப்படுத்துவோம். வெத்து விலக்கி சூழல சுத்தப்படுத்துவோம், சூழல சுத்தப்படுத்துவோம், சூழல சுத்தப்படுத்துவோம். குப்பமேட்டை மாற்றி கலை குப்பமேடை அமைப்போம், கலை குப்பமேடை அமைப்போம், கலை குப்பமேடை அமைப்போம். பாட்டு படிப்போம் ராகமணி, பாட்டு படிப்போம் ராகமணி, பாட்டு படிப்போம் ராகமணி, பாட்டு படி.
Together dumping into one. This has to be controlled. Segregate your waste at this level. That is, keep your plastic separate. Keep your e-waste in a different way. Keep your bottles separate. And then the rest is what you have, the kitchen waste. Where the kitchen waste can go? Kitchen waste. This can be used as there is a lot of material which we generally throw just like that. You can even see a cake box, right? So this is how we generally throw into the dustbin. This has to be segregated. This bin, once you think that you have packed like this and you are going to give outside as a pack for throwing as a waste, this is what is a bin which you generally throw. This is where the problem is starting. Segregate plastic separately, kitchen waste separately, and electronic gadget waste separately, which is called e-waste. When these three are separated, this can go into three parts.
Rooted in yoga, expressed through art, and culminating in Swarajya is our Kalai Kuppam project, now on the verge of becoming a movement as we conclude our first street beautification, and the curious and interested neighborhoods around us are intrigued by the change we have wrought. A change of cleanliness surely, and even more inspiring, a divine avatar of beauty that has descended into the shared psyche of the community in which we live. Instead of merely being didactic and policing the effluence of dirt and filth, the expression of art through the employ of intelligence has sensitized our neighbors to the realities of their situation, and even more so to a beautiful way out. In the Tamil language, Kalai means art.
In this corner mural, what I have tried to do is put together upcycled broken tableware and ceramics. The idea in this whole solid waste management program was to inspire people through beauty. Just like garbage attracts garbage, beauty attracts beauty, I said. And this is a living example of that. This was a dirty garbage corner. After having beautified it, people are so happy and they are telling each other not to again throw here, drink here, urinate here. And the mural, as you can see, is just cement, rough cement, and we have just like a mosaic work embedded the broken ceramics that friends from Oroville and around have given me their broken tableware. Thank you.
This is the wall of Maharashtra Niwas. We are trying to create a vertical garden over here. I think this is the upcycled material which we are using. And of course beautification of the wall as well. The problem is we have brought up our children in such a way, like, they just take everything for granted. And when it comes to pollution or in some kind of calamity, we talk so big about how nature is destructed and how what and all is happening around. But we never try to understand what kind of children we are giving to the nature. That is very important. And if you see this kind of bottles in Pondi, you find these bottles everywhere. Everywhere in every street, if you go, a minimum of 5 bottles you find. So what are we going to do with all these things, and who is going to take responsibility for this? throwing from one place to the other is not going to solve the problem. So there should be something done with that. Either you stop producing the bottles like this, or something has to be done. So this is one way we thought I can create a garden like this. So the whole wall will be having the material where the upcycled bottles are used, collected from different parts. So this is another, this is another. So this is what is happening right now. You can also see there. This is another wall. The small bottle we try to create. Thank you. Here.
People used to put the waste over here, all the waste, including the drink bottles, and also used to urinate, smoking, lots of bad things over happens here. So now it's totally changed over, and it's transformed into beautiful, like a garden or a paradise like it. So it's a good thing.
Seeking beauty in all aspects of human endeavor, and Kuppam means a hamlet, a small village that has organically sprouted in its native environment. Thus, Kalai Kuppam means a beautiful village in Tamil. This month at Tasmai, we dedicated our time to connect with experts who have all been part of the solution in their own way and shared their wisdom with us. The idea is not about renouncing the city and going back to nature, but to make our urban environment healthy and clean.
வெத்து விலக்கி சூழல சுத்தப்படுத்துவோம், சூழல சுத்தப்படுத்துவோம், சூழல சுத்தப்படுத்துவோம். வெத்து விலக்கி சூழல சுத்தப்படுத்துவோம், சூழல சுத்தப்படுத்துவோம், சூழல சுத்தப்படுத்துவோம். குப்பமேட்டை மாத்தி கலை குப்பமேடை அமைப்போம், கலை குப்பமேடை அமைப்போம், கலை குப்பமேடை அமைப்போம். பாட்டு படிப்போம் ராகமணி, பாட்டு படிப்போம் ராகமணி, பாட்டு படிப்போம் ராகமணி, பாட்டு படிப்போம்.